Yo, I just put my headphones on and they were cold as Let me play this. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casey, and today I've got something. Okay, so Drake released his album, and it's called Certified Loverboy. And what I'm going to do today, what we are going to do today, is put a beat on the Champagne Poetry, which is the intro song to the album, or the first song on the album. Okay, so there is a bit of a beat at the end, but I'm gonna do my own thing. Yeah, I'm gonna add some drums, make it a bit more aggressive, and we'll see what we can make. Alright, with all that said, let's get started. Okay, yeah, I also need to mention that I would not be playing the beat in this video because of copyright reasons. I've already explained this in my last video, the money heist video, because I do not want to get the video claimed. There will be another video being uploaded at the same time that this video goes live, which will just be the beat. So I don't really care if that gets claimed, but I care if this one gets claimed. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's properly get started now. Okay, so we got the beat right here. Also, I did some research before starting this video, so I wanted to save myself some time by finding out the BPM before opening FL Studio, and I did that. I went on to Google and I searched Champagne Poetry BPM or tempo, Champagne Poetry tempo, and there was the site that gave me the tempo, and they said the tempo was 87 BPM, but that doesn't work as well for me as 89 BPM. That's why I've got 89 over there. So if it sounds weird in the end, then I'll just try and maybe change it back to 87. And it says that the beat is in F sharp minor, so that's a bonus right there. Okay, so I want to make this video aggressive, but it is kind of so maybe I can do something subtle and do something aggressive. Okay, so I just need to figure out where I'm going to start the drums. So that's what I'm going to do now while I listen through the beat. Okay, I'm thinking I can maybe start it over here. Yes, I'll get something over there. I'm probably gonna have to EQ this beat as well, so that because this beat is very full. I think it's using every frequency in the frequency spectrum. By that I mean all the frequencies that humans can hear, which is from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Where is this? Okay, so I'm gonna have to make some space for my drums, but let me make the drums first before I do that, so I can hear what needs to be made space for. Okay, so I think I said I'm gonna start it over here. Yeah, I'm gonna start it there. So let me put a marker down. Start here. Start her. Man, one messenger can change the whole meaning of something. Yeah, drums. I need the drums. So I want it to be very hard. That's what she said. Is a drum pack over here? There's very hard sounding drums. With Fabe Star. There we go. Fabe Star. I think it's Fabe Star and Codeine. I think Flows is now. Oh, don't tell me this thing crashed, bruh. I can either make this a realistic sounding drum kit, or I can do something hard and trappy, or I can do something vibey and very subtle. I'll explore my options. I'll try and do everything. Fabe Star, where you at, Fabe? Okay, and let me get a clap and a hi-hat. A clap sounds good, and get some hi-hats. It sounds good. Okay, so I'm gonna make a two-step. Oh no, I think this is better. This is better, yeah. There we go. It's shining good so far. Me personal funds. Sounds very simple. I don't think this is where I wanted it to start, so I'm going to move it here. Yeah. Okay. It's sounding good. I need. Oh, that might be good. I need to get it in key though, in pitch. Okay, so it's on B. Let me just make that right, and then we move that over, and now it is perfect pitched. So I say that the thing is in F sharp minor. So let me go to bro beats up here, F sharp minor. Okay, so let's make this 808. I kind of hate the fact that this thing has a kick in it as well. Hold on, this thing it's not cutting itself. So let me do this, turn on the envelope. Come back to tell you how that. It sounds good so far, not gonna lie. I'm going to put the limiter on this 808 because it has a kick. If I can limit the kick being too loud, then this will be good. Okay, so that's good. This you parked up roadside. Let me EQ as well. Bring that down. Okay. I just want this to be 808 centered. I don't want it to be kick involved with the 808. I just want this kick to be there. So as I'm doing this, think I need to add a snare as well. And snare. Oh, what if I make it a snare? Oh, ideas are flowing in right now. I like that. Yeah. Oh, wait. I need to do this. Over on this side. And then B. And then oh, I need to do that over here. Oh, I need to get open hats. That's what I'm missing. Oh, this one could do well. I think it's too high. And I want this to end. I want it to end on the snare. So let me automate that. There's a little too much highs in the hi-hat. So it sounds too bright. It sounds good. You know what? I think I might just do that. Okay. So this is what I got so far. I'm gonna play it without the song. I'm just gonna play the beat that I made. I feel like I should do this as well. It doesn't feel right. Quite, yeah. That's what I have drums wise. So yeah, effect tricks. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, I like that a lot. I don't like this in right here. I don't like that, so I need to fix that. But the question is how. Or maybe wait, let me do some automating here. So this whole part is not going to be EQ. So let me take that off. I want the EQ to be here. No EQ. I wonder if there's a way I can make this. If I can make the hi-hats. If I can make this thing stereo. Let me rather not. I'll leave it like that. I don't like this thing anymore. It's not long enough.
That's what she said.
Okay, that is a very abrupt stop. So I don't think I should really worry about why the sound so. Okay, there's a sound effect here in the extra pack that I want. Maybe that. Okay, let me try another style real quick. Just to hear just to explore more options. So I'm going to mute all of these right now. Let me go back to cymatics. Let me see what I can do with this. Bourbon, pattern number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna name that drum kit, and then EVT drum kit. If you're not from South Africa, EVT means I don't know. Okay, I'm making another drum kit right now. That's what I'm doing. EVT drum kit. Yeah. So that's the first drum kit that I made there. Alright. Another thing is now, while I like that one, I like this one too, the one that I made just now. It may sound like nothing, but trust me, with this played with the song, it slaps. I'll come back to it later, because there might be a place for it. I might just make a whole separate beat with it. Okay, we have a problem. We have a big problem. So this part is good, right? This part is good. But now there is a beat change over here. So along with that beat change, there is a tempo change as well. So what I have to do is, I have to cut it here somewhere. And then I have to automate the tempo so that it matches. But I need to find what the tempo is first. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of work. So I'm thinking I can maybe use this drum kit that I made over here for the second part. So we'll see how that goes. So first, let me find the tempo.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we're still clipping me 78.421. So, oh man, this is such a pain in the. So what was it? 78.421. 78.421. Right.
A few inches later.
Okay, so here's my thoughts about this part over here. So it works, right? But not completely. Doesn't completely work because it is on beat with Drake's rapping, right? But it's not on beat with the beat. So let me just listen to it one more time. Okay, so here's my conclusion. So it works. So I had to move some of the patterns around for it to work. So it works now. However, I would still like for it to be 0.421, but for some reason if it doesn't want to give me that. So let's just roll with what we have. Okay, so I'm gonna have two different drum kits. Alright, got the trap drum kit over here and we got the boom bap over here. Okay, so I like it a lot. But now, since I've got the drum kits now, I'm going to do some changes to them. I'm going to mix and master, and I'm not going to show that in the video because I'm already 2 hours and 20 minutes into this recording. So yeah, I'm not going to show that. I'm going to do the mixing and mastering, and I'm also going to sign off right now. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more of this type of content. If you like this type of content, make sure to let me know in the comments and subscribe with the notifications on so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. And once this video goes live, make sure to watch the next one because that's just going to be the beat and you can really appreciate what I've done. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.